Hello everyone. Today we'll see more methods of string class. So let's start. The first method is isalpha. This method returns true if all the characters of the string are alphabetic, can be lowercase or uppercase. Otherwise it returns false. So let's see. I'll create a new folder, 5 methods. And we'll go inside 5 methods and create a new file, a.py. Suppose we have a string x equal to hello. We will call x.isalpha and we will print its value. In our string all the characters are alphabetic, so we will get true. Okay, so let's see. a.py. Okay, true. Now let's say our string is hello world. What do you think? What should be the output? Here we don't have all the characters of the string as alphabetic. We have a space between hello and world. And space is not an alphabetic character, so we will get false here. Okay. So let's see. a.py false. Okay. Now the second method is isdigit. This method returns true if all the characters in the string are digits, otherwise false. So let's see. b.py x equal to 1 2 3 and print x dot is digit. This is a string of digits, so we will get true here. So let's see. b.py true. Okay. Now let's change the string. So let's check with, let's say, binary integer. Okay, 0b101. Now running b.py false. Okay, we'll get true only if we have numeric characters in the string. Okay, so here's a task for you. You have to tell all the cases when this method will return false. Okay, now let's move on to next method. It is isalnum. This method will return true if the characters of the string are alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means alphabetic or numeric. Okay, so the string will return true if either all the characters are alphabetic or numeric, or the combination of both. Okay, so let's see. c.py. Let's say x is equal to m to 4 and print x dot is isnum. Okay, c.py true. Okay, we have combination of both. We have alphabetic as well as numeric characters, so we are getting true. Okay, now let's check for pure alphabetic and numeric also. So let's say y is equal to abc and z is equal to 1 2 3 and print z and y and c.py. Okay, we are getting true for every case. Okay, so in all these cases isalnum will return true. Okay, so next method is islower, isupper. Okay, we'll see both these methods in a common example. So islower will return us true if all the characters in the string are lowercase, otherwise false. And isupper will return us true if all the characters in the string are uppercase, otherwise false. So let's see. We'll make a new example, d.py and x equal to uppercase hello. Okay, and we will print x dot is lower and print x dot is upper. So our first is lower and second is upper. So the string is all uppercase, so we'll get true in isupper part, and in islower we'll get false. So our output will be false and true. Okay, so let's see d dot pi false and true. Okay, now what if we have camel case characters? Let's see. X equal to hello, let's say. So let's see d dot pi false in both the cases. Okay, now next method is istitle. We have seen title method in the last lecture, so there I told you what title case means. Okay, in case you didn't remember what title case means, let me tell you. Title case is a case where the first character of each word in the string is uppercase. Okay, istitle will return us true if the string is title cased. So we'll make a new example, e dot pi. Let x equal to, this is a sample. In order to get true, we should have the first character of each word as uppercase. Okay, so print x dot is title, e dot pi true. Okay, let's see if this a is in lowercase. This should return us false, e dot pi false. Okay, so next method is isspace. This method will return true if there are only white spaces characters in the string. Okay, so these are the white space characters. If our string contains only these characters, then only we will get true. Notice /b or backspace is not a white space character. Okay, so f dot pi x equal to, let's say \t, and print x dot is space. Now running f dot pi true. Okay, now let's see for backspace, \b f dot pi false. Okay, backspace is not considered as a space. Notice that these are the methods which tell us about the cases of the string and return the boolean value corresponding to that case. The methods which we saw in the last lecture were to convert the string into different cases, and they return us the new string. Okay, so don't get confused in these methods. Also, this is Python API. You can take reference from here and can discover more methods like capitalize, case, fold. Okay, so I'll share it with you. Also, there is a part of functions left. They're the most important functions, and they can be used in any iterative data type, and they are used very often. Okay, so don't miss the next lecture, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.